Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever experienced the frustration of your mobile battery draining faster than your coffee disappears on a Monday morning? Well, fear not. Dark Soul Tech has your back. Let's dive into the abyss of mobile battery dilemmas and emerge with solutions brighter than the pixels on your screen. Problem 1. The Phantom Drainer. Ever felt like your battery is playing hide and seek? Apps running in the background are the culprits. Kill those sneaky apps in your settings for an instant boost. Bye-bye Phantom Drainers. Problem 2. Brightness Overdrive. Your screen brightness is on a mission to outshine the sun, but it's draining your battery faster than you can say luminescence. Adjusting brightness manually or enabling adaptive brightness for a longer-lasting charge. Problem 3. Power-hungry apps. Some apps are like energy vampires, sucking the life out of your battery. Identify and limit the usage of power-hungry apps, ensuring your battery stays fresh for what matters most. Ready for a battery revolution? Dark Soul Tech has your solution key. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech wisdom. Transform your mobile experience with Dark Soul Tech, where power meets innovation. Stay charged, stay smart.